Hey 8th grade, this is Miss Harkness, and this video is for Module 1, Lesson 3, where we were looking at the power rule of exponents. So really quickly, I just want to review that the power rule is when you have a double exponent, like here in number 1. Okay, you can see that duplicate exponent that's showing up right there. So when we have a double exponent like this, we are going to use the power rule. So we have this, let me take that back, undo. With this 4 that's going to go into our 2 and into our a cubed. Because what this is saying is we have 2a to the cubed, 2a to the 3, 4 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 2 to the 4th. So you could write it as 16 if you want to. And then a cubed, we have it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 3 times 4 is 12. Let's look at another one. Let's look at number 3 right here. So we have this 4, and it's going to come into the 2, to the x, and to the y. So we have 2 to the 4th, x to the 4th, y to the 12th. That's that one simplified. Okay, let's look at one more. Here, number 13. This one's a little more complex. We have our product rule, our quotient rule, and our power rule. So this 4 is going to come in to the x to the 4th. It's going to come in to our y squared, into our y to the 4th, into our x, and into our y. So let's start with the first one. X to the 4th, 4 times 4 is going to be x to the 16. Y squared, y to the 4th is going to give me y to the 8, because 2 times 4 is 8. Then y to the 4th is going to give me y to the 16th. All right, and then we have our denominator here. This denominator then, it's going to be x to the 4th, and then the last one, y to the 4th. So from here, now we can use our product rule, because we have these lovely 2 y's on the top. We're going to simplify that. So here I've simplified it. 8 plus 16 is 24. Now my final step is going to be to use my quotient rule. So this left side here, 16 and 4 is going to give me x to the 12. And then this right side, 24 and 24 is going to give me y to the 20. And that one's done. Hope this helps.